Okay.
I did hear someone using the gates over here, so someone may have left.
Alright, I'll look.
I'm by 914, by the way.
Alright, you're at 914?
Can I be part of the med? Can I have you?
Yeah, I'm at 914.
Want me to open it up right now?
Open.
Oh wait, no, I can't yet. Hang on. Yo, what is up, my guys? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, just
Alright.
watch me, and I'll get the
Yeah.
XP for you.
Alright, cool. I'm watching you.
Oh, hacker. Hacker. He's hacking. The dog is hacking.
You're deaf. You're deaf.
You're locked in now.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't realize you were staying there.
Alright, well, I can't. I still have tier 1, so.
The sun's coming down.
Let's probably open and close doors. Oh yeah, that give me. Alright, I'm just gonna open and close doors until I get enough XP. Alright?
Alright. I mean, I did just kill 2 people that came down.
Oh, nice.
Is there anyone else in 914?
Yes, there is. There's, hang on. Let me see. There is... one scientist.
Only one scientist?
Only one scientist.
Yeah, I can see through the walls. Someone definitely left beforehand. Probably D-Boy. I'm hungry.
Alright.
Give me a second. I want to say my last words. No.
These are your last
Here,
words.
I locked him, by the way. He's locked. Yeah, he's locked, is he? Oh, now it's, okay, now it's unlocked.
Quickly, bastard.
Oh, new access! Here we go. I got new
a
access.
hacker.
Hey!
One class to you.
Rusty, how did you escape already?
What the frick?
What? How did Class D escape?
have no clue how.
I killed one already.
Already killed one? How quick?
Alright, guys, so we're playing as this guy.
Which way do you go?
Yeah.
Do you go for the bathroom or for IT?
There we go. So what we're gonna do first of all. Oh, I have an idea. Shit. Alright, this is what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go to the elevators, right? Oh wait, there's someone. We just close them. Right when they get down.
Oh no.
Alright. Alright, they're already. Alright, bet.
Open the gate.
So. It was not me, so.
Open
Guards,
the
the
gate.
guards are in.
The guards
Oh,
did.
well,
Alright.
that's an RIP for you.
Hey, if you guys go to N14, I can open it for you.
Look at that, stab his neck, brother.
Here, I'm opening up N14. It's open.
He's going back. He's exiting.
Yeah, I just opened up N14. So if you guys want to enter.
Oh, yeah. Hey, okay. Alright, how about this? Okay, I'm gonna get you with it.
Did you kill the other guard?
No, he left.
There's a D-boy going to WC. Yeah, yeah, that way.
Yeah, they're trying to leave. They're stuck. Yo, can you open this door for me in a minute?
Which one?
You wanna get upgraded? You want me to upgrade you?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I see you.
Not yet, not yet.
Not yet, okay. I see you right now.
Yeah. Like,
Haha.
lock it.
Wait, can you upgrade yourself as can you upgrade SCP?
No. Can't upgrade an AC. Of course you can.
Can you or can you not?
Where, wait, Jumanji, which, room?
Whatchamacallit, that one room where you go down the stairs.
Oh, SCP-012. 0112.
0112? Alright, yeah.
012.
012, yeah, okay. Yeah, I see it, okay. Now what?
Oh, I got 2 guards right here.
Wait,
Okay.
I can change SCP.
Want me to open it now?
No, I'm going right now.
He's on the server.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Open it?
Open it.
Alright, yeah, it's open. Alright, now I'm gonna lock it.
Oh, I just heard an.
Yeah, I killed one.
The fuck?
You trapped in here?
I killed him. He's dead.
Alright.
Danger. Light containment zone overall decontamination in T-minus.
I need to go for me.
Where? Which one?
I'm still in the O12.
Oh, okay, I'm coming. It's open. What do you mean?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to come.
Oh, okay, that one? Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, yeah,
Uh oh.
yeah.
Yo, Peanut, I need your help. No. Cigar! He's leaving. I'm gonna spam escape.
Yeah.
Hop another one.
Which one? You guys going to the
Are there
elevator?
still kids upgrading their key cards or no? Yeah, we're
Let me see. Let me check.
I'm assuming
Yeah, there's no one in.
now.
There's no one in 914. Oh no, though.
Guess I found my way out of my.
Yeah, I found them.
Alright. Uh-oh, mobile task force.
Entrance.
Crap.
There's 3 guards here. Holy god.
Well,
Alright, well, there's 3 guards up top.
Let me go see. Oh, come
Someone's seat.
You bait them.
Oh, fuck.
Push him. Ah, that's a stream right there, boys. Got one.
Nice.
Close your door on him. Close your door on your friends. Close the door on your friends. Betray your friends now, please. Okay. Close the door. You coming, Peanut? You're ready, Peanut. Let's go.
you guys need some help or you're good?
Yeah.
You can close the door on one of them.
Which one? Which room are you guys in?
On the
Entrance.
security guards.
Entrance. Okay. Shit, entrance.
They're trying to leave.
Entrance.
They're in a corner. They're corner.
Entrance. Where's that?
One's
In
dead.
here?
He's trapped.
Oh, there it is. Okay. Checkpoint? Okay, yeah. I'm in the checkpoint right now.
Behind us.
Okay.
Fall back.
So, where in the entrance? That's my
I'm
question.
getting them out. I'm trying to distract them.
Okay, I hear gunfire. Okay.
Can I ditch? Peanut, is it okay if I ditch?
Oh.
I'll just help.
Alright, I just locked them out from. Okay. Let me
Keep
see.
this door closed, please, or we're gonna die.
Oh, you shot me.
Here, I'll close it. There, I locked it. Yeah. I mean, I don't have much energy.
Someone just shot me.
If they open it, I
Yeah,
can
make a
just
charge on three,
close it.
Peanut. Charge!
Uh-oh.
One's
I'm
stuck.
out, Peanut. Wait, no, I'm not.
One's stuck over here.
How you still? No, remember, they blink. Remember that. They blink. There we go.
One.
Nice.
Oh, he's dead.
Yo, how many are left?
Let's go, Peanut. He's trying to escape.
Oh yeah, he's done.
Get your screwed.
Alright.
Screw your
I
friend.
can't.
Oh, he screwed his friend! I'm gonna go check if they escape.
Alright.
Only 3 targets remaining, so watch out.
There's 2 at
3
the
left.
right?
2 in the surface?
Yeah,
I
they're
have.
going back to the elevator.
Alright.
Okay, well, I'm gonna come back on. I just had to check if they actually escaped.
I think they just bait called it.
Okay.
Don't go up yet.
No, I'm not. I'm waiting.
If we had an 096, it'd be awesome.
Yeah. Alright, I'm about to upgrade to tier 2 in a second.
Nice. If you spam doors, you can
Yeah, I know. It's on doing right now. Yeah. I'm doing it right now.
I'm going up to gate A. Let's get them before chaos or anybody else spawns.
I really hate chaos because they get confused and they shoot us anyway.
Yeah, no.
It's like, are they friendly
Depends
or
on which
not?
kind of chaos.
Yeah.
Yo, Peanut, are you watching the other side? Not. Peanut, I'm coming up. Can you push up? They don't see me.
If you guys need help,
Watch KB.
They're
if you
coming
guys,
to me right now.
if you guys need help, then just tell me if you need help, okay?
Shooting at me. I'm all bloodied.
Okay, I'm at 94 right now.
Oh, okay, spawn.
95.
Chaos. And they're shooting at me. What a. Oh my god, dude, they're so dumb.
Alright,
Found
tier
another
2.
chef.
Alright, how many more left? I mean, targets.
2.
2
Yeah.
still? I don't see anyone
One's on
in
surface.
heavy.
One's on the surface.
Okay, well, I don't see
No,
anyone
I'm
in
gonna die.
light,
It's
so.
me. I'm gonna die.
You're coming
Because
down the
chaos
elevator?
are trying to kill me. I'm at 26%. Chaos are trying to kill me.
Wow, chaos are dicks,
They're
man.
retarded.
They are.
Now I'm just gonna have to,
Let's go kill him.
have to hold an angle.
Which gate are you guys at?
E.
B? Alright. Alright, ooh! He's in, okay, never mind. They're just chaos. Alright, so which one? B?
Yeah, gate B.
Alright, I'm coming. Yeah, I'm coming
Oh,
over.
they're here, Peanut. Peanut, watch out.
I'm all the way back.
What the hell, man?
Both there. Never mind, Peanut. I killed them both.
Okay, so gate B is...
Yeah, hide in a corner.
Okay, I'm in gate B now. Alright, I'm here. In gate B.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna go to the surface. Yeah, I see the chaos.
I'm trying to
He's going to gate
There's
A.
one in the elevator.
No, he's going to gate A. He left to go to gate A.
Get in, Peanut. Let's go kill these kids.
Where you guys at again?
Fuck.
What happened?
They're going down. I almost got both of them.
Where you guys at?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'm in gate B. Okay, yeah. Now I'm at A.
Oh, okay, Peanut.
Danger. Light containment zone overall decontamination in T-minus 1 minute.
Alright, I'm watching you guys right now. Yeah, I'm watching you guys
Fucking
right now.
chaos is shooting me. I can't-
Yeah, I know. I see you. The chaos are just being dickheads.
Can you close the door on them?
Yeah, I did. Hey, look.
You just locked it. I could've.
Yeah, go in there. There we
You
go.
can kill this guy, yep. Okay, wait, Peanut, he's not looking at you. You can close the door on the kid I'm chasing.
Where?
I don't know exactly where, it doesn't really have a marker.
He's going to a dead end.
Yep, okay, there you go.
Oh.
He's walking by you. He just turned around.
Oh.
Smart guy. Where's gate A, dude?
Where are you right now? I can tell you where it is.
Yo, where's the last, person?
I have no idea. But chaos are in the tunnels. So.
Let's go get him.
Light containment zone is locked down.
What if it was a D-boy in light containment?
Oh, rip. Then he's dead now.
So annoying.
Or a guard.
Then they're probably already dead because
Also,
it just shut down. So.
I found
Oh, he
KO.
died.
He's ours.
Hey, it was a D-boy.
D-boy in light containment?
It was, yeah.
Was it an AP?
D-boy who's in light containment.
I don't know. On the computer.
You just said.
I know. Alright, so let's get on business now. Get down to business. Let's see. Here, I'm gonna go over to light containment, and I'm gonna go over to 914. If I can find it.
Okay.
There it is. Okay. Whoa, 914 is like right next to exit B. Like, that's not even. Oh yeah, right now. I'm here now. Are you?
Please.
Yeah, okay, it's open.
Yeah, I'm right outside.
Hey, alright, I'm gonna close.
Guys, they're gonna. Alright, open it.
I can't because
You got a minute.
I need to wait to regen my energy. So yeah,
Shit.
it's open now. It's open now. There we go. Yeah, they're inside. No, the input.
Yeah, dog.
They're in the input.
Yeah, they're. Get him, dog. Get him. Get him. Get him.
Nice, nice.
Go get him. He went straight. He,
Alright. Well, if you guys need more help, then just I'm here.
yeah. Like,
Alright, they went to HO something. I can't see from my. Okay, they're going to D class D area. They went to 173's place.
okay, we got him.
You got him? Okay, cool. I want to keep checking around.
Dude, 096 is so OP when he gets angry.
I love playing as this SCP, yeah, SCP. It's like my legit like my 5th time playing it just today. Not even lying, like literally. I have not played any other SCP today than this. It's crazy. Alright. I don't think anyone else is in light, but I'll check. And I don't see anyone, but oh wait, there's a doctor, not doctor, a scientist.
Where?
He went towards exit A area, like that area, like towards the exit A. Yeah, yeah, he went through with the exit. Yeah, he went through the exit. He went up the elevator.
Take you there.
Alright. Let me see.
Light containment zone overall decontamination in T-minus 10 minutes.
I hear footsteps. Oh, it's just you guys.
Footsteps.
He probably left because the exit is like right there. So.
Yeah, we're there.
Alright, if you need me, just tell me, but I'm gonna keep checking heavy and light and see if there's anyone here. Still.
Okay.
Good thing is, no one picked up the micro. So. No one has a micro yet. I checked heavy and I saw no one. So now I'm gonna go to light and check light.
There's a dude right there. You go.
Gosh dang it, MTF came. I didn't see anyone in light, so I'm pretty sure we killed all of them, all the scientists in the place. So that means that chaos should not spawn. Chaos should not spawn.
Just a bunch of, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I've seen chaos spawn with you boys.
Really?
It's possible.
I mean, it's like a very small chance though.
Yeah, it's super small amount, but it's happened.
Alright, well, I'm gonna get out of this place so I can help you guys. So where are you guys at right now? Where are you guys at right now? I can help you
Help
out.
me, dog! Okay, I got it. What were you gonna say? You're gonna get out of what?
I can, where are you guys at right now? I can help you guys, like, trap things.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them on the surface.
Oh,
Yeah.
gate B, right? Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, gate B. Alright. You went to the surface. Oh yeah, there's only one guy on the surface. And the rest went to... There's one guy going into gate B, and the rest went to gate A.
You stay there. Okay, I'm gonna try to go find gate A. Dog,
Okay.
I think there's one person coming down.
Yeah, I just told you there's one guy going down.
Yeah, in the city. Yeah. I'll start.
I'm gonna wait. Oh, I'm being attacked.
Where?
Let me check.
Is he in there?
I'm being... Oh shit, hang on. I'm being attacked at, well, 106.
Oh shit, I don't know where that is.
Okay, it is... Whoa, I think it is a straight line. Okay, so if you go, straight, and then, so basically nuke this, and then go through the server room, then the Tesla, then on the right hand side there's the 106. Okay, micro and 106 now. I'm being attacked at micro and in 106.
Okay. Dog, you're gonna be faster, so you try to get
So the map right now, the layout of heavy is legit a straight line. Yeah, that's the map of it.
It's kinda cool.
I hear someone in the Tesla right now. Is it you?
Dog.
Alright, yeah, nice. Okay, now there's one in the micro now. Yep, the micro. Yeah, okay. And the guard is going through the micro right now. Yep, the guard just left micro. He's going to... Oh yeah, it's a dead end. Where is that? I'll lock him inside.
He's got a micro, get back,
Oh
back,
shit.
back.
Oh, the dog.
Oh shit, he's gonna get me.
Oh my. No. God damn it.
9-6 contained successfully. Containment unit Bravo 16.
Gosh darn it. This dog is worthless. He don't even have a mic. Okay, dog, this is gonna be hard to do, but since you have no mic, I'll try my best. Good thing I have a mic. Jeez. They're probably in the intercom area right now. So there's that.
Mobile Task Force Unit
Oh, another one?
11 designated Bravo
Okay, well now I got tier 2 now, so that's a good thing. Oh, tier 2. Let's get it. Oh my god. Are you serious right now? Are you kidding me? This is not happening. This isn't happening. This isn't happening. This isn't happening. No. Well, shit. I'm dead. Come on, guys. This is not even. Oh goodness. This is depressing. Super depressing, guys. There's nothing I can do. Like, really nothing I can do at all. And it's depression. Depression is what I have. 'Cause I really can't do anything. Like, I'm not even lying, but I can't even do anything at all. There's nothing I can do. Like, there's just nothing I can do. I can't even kill him. Ah, no. Well, let's see if I can get at least tier 3 before I die, guys. Well, it's been a nice life, not gonna lie. A real nice robot life. I think I can actually do it though. I think I can do it. I'll get like what, like 9 XP if not. Oh yeah, I can do it. Tier 3. And hey, tier 3. Let's go. Oh, he can go past tier 3, but oh, tier 3 is OP, bro. Hang on. Yeah, okay, I can. Let's see. Whoa. I already have like 100 XP, bro. Yeah. 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 There's no. Oh, I thought it was 5. Jesus Christ, this is OP, guys. There's no way he's gonna ever get out of here. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. This is how you end a SCP game. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. Tier 5. Yo. Yo. Guys. God damn, guys. This is insane. Oh, it's so funny. Oh no, I'm so glad that I recorded this moment. Oh, XDB like. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. I died.
He was overloading the test.
Yeah, I legit overloaded it. Well guys, that'll be the end of this video. I'll see you guys later in the next one. See you later.